Hello, my name is Eluned Parrott and I am the Welsh Liberal Democrat Assembly member for South Wales Central. I'm one of the 20 regional AMs, so my patch covers a big area from Butetown in the south all the way to Penderyn on the edge of the Brecon Beacons. For me, it's really important to remember that a politician is just a normal person elected by other normal people to represent them. And that is why you will find me holding surgeries right across the region, from Cowbridge, Barry and Llantwit Major in the Vale, across the city of Cardiff and onto Mountain Ash, Pontypridd and Aberdare in Rhondda and Taff. I really do want to hear from you, so look out for details in your local newspapers and come along if there's anything that I can help you with. I've always had an interest in politics thanks to my family, but it was when I had children of my own that I decided to get more directly involved. There are a couple of issues that got me really angry, and finally I realised that I wasn't going to change anything by shouting at the television. I had to stand up and be counted if I wanted things to be different. It's the Welsh Assembly that controls education, health, business and enterprise, the environment and some of the other things that have the biggest impact on our lives here in Wales. And so I decided to stand for election as an Assembly member because these are the issues that are closest to my heart. Over this Assembly's 5-year term, I see it as my job to fight for you. I want to hold a candle up to the Welsh Government, to question them, to challenge them and to make them deliver for you. I've been so frustrated that over the last 12 years, our Assembly has seemed to achieve so little. It is time we saw a sense of urgency, a real desire to make things better. If our government isn't delivering, I'm going to be there to ask them why. Fairness is at the heart of the Welsh Liberal Democrats' belief system. It is essentially the ideal that drives us on. I want to make sure that everyone has the same opportunities to learn, to live, to work, regardless of how much money they've got or where they came from. I feel really lucky and actually really proud to be part of a team that shares that core belief. Well, thank you for taking the time to listen to my introduction. It's very much appreciated. In return, if there is anything I can do to help you, please do get in touch. You can contact me by phone, email, Facebook or Twitter, or by coming along to one of my surgeries. I look forward to meeting you.
Cynulliad Cenedlaethol Cymru yw'r corff sy'n cael ei ethol yn ddemocrataidd i gynrychioli buddiannau Cymru a'i phobl, i ddeddfu ar gyfer Cymru ac i ddwyn Llywodraeth Cymru i gyfrif. I gael rhagor o wybodaeth ac i ganfod pwy sydd yn eich cynrychioli, ewch i cynulliadcymru.org neu gallwch chi'n dilyn ar Facebook a Twitter.